I think one of the biggest problems people have been facing the past few weeks or months actually has been hair fall or dry hair or scaly hair, you know, frizzy hair, the hair's been drying out, breaking, hair fall. And of course the reasons for that are stress. You know, we've been stressed out because business, work, I mean things haven't been really going the way they're supposed to go. We've health again, you know, no proper diet, you know, so that's kind of gone for a toss. Our regimes have gone for a toss, so that's one of the reasons where everyone's hair has been kind of giving them the biggest problems, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so what we've been doing, of course, you know, I think a lot of you guys watched, I feel have kind of seen my stuff on Instagram, you know, it's, yeah. So we do this treatment. It's called the cryo treatment, and of course the dramas all recorded on screen. But it actually works out because it's a scalp cleansing treatment. You know, it cleanses the scalp, it detoxifies the scalp, helps the scalp breathe better. You know, and prevents hair fall. It kind of doesn't stop it completely, but it does prevent it. You know, to a certain point. Helps in hair growth and strengthens the hair. So it's a product which kind of counteracts for every possible problem that most women are facing right now, right? So it's like what women want, and women want nice, healthy hair, and they want a less irritating husband and a loving boyfriend. No? So, sorry.
Yeah, it's only for scalp or for hair?
It's for the scalp and it's for the hair as well. So it works out for both. Yeah. And so what we do is usually we kind of apply it on the scalp. We cleanse the scalp with the detox gel. We wash and shampoo the hair, and then we condition it. And yeah, we take care, get it rinsed out. So it's a treatment. If the hair is very dry or it's very frizzy or it's what do you call it, very brittle, you know, it'll take you 2 or 3 treatments to do that. So that's for the scalp detox. And the other treatments that we do are your nano keratin. That's an expensive treatment, but it's a superb treatment. And then you have a hair botox, you know, where a lot of women do not want to what do you call it? Don't take me from behind, Baba. Some jadya lagega mein. Huh? Come in the front. So yeah.
Come, everyone, come.
Oh, she's recording it. Give me the video, okay? And make me look good in the video. All such beautiful women around. So I lost. Where did I stop?
The Botox.
The detox, yeah. So the Botox, correct. From the detox to Botox. So the Botox treatment, I mean, that's something which is really happening right now. It's easy on the pocket. It doesn't last for too long, but it definitely cuts out the frizz. It makes the hair much more manageable. You know, you can see my beautiful wife, and she's got like a. Come.
Let's see.
Did you show your hair?
Come.
Show your hair now.
Yes.
This is not even blow dried hair. It's just
Wow.
like a natural.
Naturally.
Yeah. And of course, our expert is over here. Where's Devendra? Yeah, he's one of our Botox experts. So, you know. And yeah, so that works out well. Have you straightened your hair or have you blow dried your hair?
Me? Just toned it.
Just toned it out, yeah? So you just ironed it out.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it looks nice. So you know what? So this cuts out the whole field for of the requirement to blow dry the hair or to straighten the hair out. You know, it's easier on the hair because when we're blow drying it or we are using the irons in the hair, you know, there's much more heat that goes in, right? So this at least kind of, you know, it's like a natural blow dry for about 2 to 3 months. You know, maximum 3 months we kind of give it a guarantee for. And so that's the other treatment that's going on. And I think one thing for all you lovely ladies in the house especially, and for your girlfriend or for your wife, because I can't suggest anything for your hair.
But I got it short.
Short, no? But I think I remember you with long hair. So, what do you call it? So what you guys got to do? So every time, most of you complain of dry ends, frizzy ends, it gets entangled. How many of you will oil your hair over here? You'll oil your hair? Not really, okay. How many of you will condition your hair over here? Condition, okay, that's a nice thing. And how long do you keep your conditioner on for?
3 to 5 minutes.
You're sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Like when you're in the bathroom and you say 3 to 5 minutes?
No, I literally go out of the bathroom,
Okay.
take a walk and come back.
Superb. I mean, yeah, that's something interesting actually. Next time you'll time yourself. If it's more than 20 seconds now, I'll lose anything. I'll buy all these clothes away. Okay? No, so what you guys gotta do is, and it always works out, after a month in the new year in 2022, if you'll do what I tell you to do, you're gonna call me up and say, Sam, we love you. You know, so it's gonna be so cool. I think my phone is ringing over there. So what you guys gotta do is before you shampoo your hair, you know, so even half an hour, 45 minutes before you shampoo your hair, wet your hair, just the ponytail part of it, whatever comes in your ponytail. Apply a nice conditioner. You can use a hair mask or you can use a hair conditioner. Comb it through nicely. Tie it up into a juda. If you want, you can even wrap a nice hot towel where you just dip a towel in hot water, wrap it around, let it cool off for around half an hour, 45 minutes. Go around doing whatever work you're doing, whatever, you know, firing your husband or shouting at your boyfriend or whatever, you never know, no? So you can continue doing that, you're cooking or whatever stuff. So you do that part of it. Then when you go in for your shower, shampoo your scalp out, okay, nicely, and you can rinse the conditioner off. You don't need to apply shampoo on the rest of the hair then, because conditioners have a cleansing agent, so they cleanse the hair out, and so you don't need to really shampoo it out, but you need to shampoo your scalp for sure. For color, it works out well. Yeah, it's the best thing. See, for any chemically treated hair, that's the best thing. So, you know, don't even think twice about it. You know, you need to condition your hair. Yeah, because, yeah, and then you shampoo it, because it's a myth, you know, when people say, oh, you know, Sam, when I use conditioner, I land up losing a lot of hair falls. You know, I go to the bathroom and all my hair just coming out, so I stopped using conditioner. You know, you can't do that. You need to use conditioner because over a period of time,
Before conditioning, we have to shampoo the hair.
you don't need to shampoo the hair.
Then this how will it get clean?
Because conditioners have a cleansing agent.
Then it closes the keratins, the scale, what you call the scales, the scales of the.
Yeah, so it'll seal that out.
Yeah. So,
So
then when you
it still, sorry, it still has a cleansing agent. So it does clean the hair out. So it's not that, you know, it's not cleaning, it's just coating the hair. It's doing its cleansing, and you're keeping it for more than half an hour, 45 minutes. It's cleansing the hair out. It's got a cleaning agent in it. So it's not like, you know, yeah, because what marketing does, they have to sell it separately, right? And ye mat use karo, if you use it, it's not going to work out.
like they say this conditioner, then it seals the hair after shampooing.
See, but the thing is, what happens is you need the cuticle. The better the cuticle closes, the more shine that there is in the hair. So you don't want the cuticle. So you want your molecules to kind of you want the moisture to get locked into the cuticle to add on shine to it. I know where you're coming from, but that's what I'm saying. This is something which tried, tested, as I said. All of you are good. If you'll do it, you're going to call me up in Jan and say, Sav, we love you. All right? So what happens with that is, one, you'll end up keeping it on for a longer time. You know, 2-3 minutes doesn't do anything to the hair. You know, like just throwing water on your face and say, oh, you know, I washed my face. Unless you like scrub it or you're using your moisturizer or whatever, leave it on for some time. Hair has to be, you've got to take care of it the same way. And especially for, one second, where's my phone? Just put it on silent then. So you do that once a week at least. You see the difference in your hair, especially for colored hair. As I said, you know, a lot of people say, I use conditioner. Don't use it on your scalp. You need to use it on your midlengths and ends. Use conditioner, the hair falls a lot. Now what happens is, when the hair dries out, it gets entangled. All right? Every day, normally each one of you should lose about so much of hair, which is normal. So you know what, if the hair is really entangled, if you wash your hair after a week or so, and if you use a conditioner, you're going to get such a big ball of hair, which is still normal. But if you use a conditioner regularly, you know, you're going to lose less hair, because whatever has to come out is going to come out. It's going to break less, because the more it gets entangled. Run your fingers through your hair now. Yeah. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So what happens with this is, it tends to break the hair over here.
Yeah.
So every time we're doing it, we're tying it up, you're breaking a lot of hair, which is adding on to the hair fall. You get it? But the smoother you keep it, the mid-lengths and ends, the better it is. Over a period of time, like if you condition your hair, deep condition it, like now, you'll find a lot of hair coming out. And you'll be, oh my god, I'm losing so much of hair. But after about 2 weeks or so, you're suddenly going to feel like, oh my god, there's hardly like 2 or 3 strands coming out. You know what I'm saying? So you've got, especially for your hair, for long hair, even if it's virgin, so do this. This treatment just works out for everyone. So there's no breakage on the scalp. There's no hair fall, there's no too much of a dandruff or itchy scalp buildup. It just works out really, really well. And it cleanses it. If you still feel, I don't feel that I've washed my hair or whatever stuff, use a little bit of shampoo. Not too much, just a little bit. Then again you'll have to run the conditioner through it. But you'll have to put a conditioner through the hair. And this really, really, really works out well.
So basically, are you saying that conditioner kind of helps in
Conditioner is the best product of all.
So it helps in reducing hair fall?
Hair fall, yeah. Because see, the smoother your hair is, the better you can run your hands through your hair, the less you're breaking your hair. You tie your hair up after you wash your hair, if it's entangled, then when we are brushing it out, again it tends to kind of break. So you're losing hair, which we don't realize. You don't realize that part that, I'm breaking something, but you yourself are doing damage to your hair. And especially when we've colored our hair or we've done any chemical treatments, you have to take extra care of it. It's an investment, you know what I'm saying? So you can pick up a regular conditioner throughout the week, but pick up a really good mask, maybe which you can use once in 2 weeks or whatever. Because then we don't even want to use an expensive product. Baba thoda sa, like a little bit. Then use it like a conjuice, but use it twice a week.
Do you have any of your products in your salon?
I've got all the products. There are loads of brands in the market, So you can share our salon numbers. We'll give you all more details on that part of it. So that is one thing which really works out. Yeah, so try it out. I want you to try it out. Yeah, you have to try it out. Okay?
I'll come to your place and collect.
Done deal. We'll do that part of it. Any other questions?
Anyone? No?
Yeah, actually want to know about combing curly.
Combing curly hair. Like, what do you want to know about?
Like, getting curly hair.
Condition.
No, but what about combing it? Like,
Comb
when
it.
do we comb it? and
So
all
you know
that?
what? There are 2 things which you always got to do with curly hair. One, use a nice conditioner. Nowadays you get these brushes called detangle brushes or wet brushes. Try to brush your hair out with those brushes because curly hair gets entangled very fast. And if the ends are dry, it gets even more entangled. And there's a lot more breakage on curly hair. So the thing is, you got to make sure that your curls are nice and open. Trim the curls out at least once in 2 months to 3 months, get it trimmed out nicely. At the same time, after you've detangled completely, you can always, after conditioning it, detangling it, and when you're detangling it, this one is, always start
My
from the
hair's
bottom.
bad.
Okay.
Start from the bottom, okay? You do not try to detangle the hair from here because it's just going to get
Yeah,
small.
yeah.
So
Totally.
you got to start from down,
Okay. Yes.
and the
My hair's dead,
sorry.
Savya. My hair's
The
dead.
problem is, most of us take our hair for granted,
I need
and
to-
then the moment we start losing it, then we want to sit and spend all our time and energy, especially young girls. You all should take really good care of yourself. And you're so much more exposed to colors and chemical treatments. 20 years back, I wasn't really exposed to that. Just a handful would kind of experiment with it, but not
This
nowadays.
paddle brush they have to use.
Detangling brush.
And the paddle brush.
Paddle brush, you can use it. You can use a paddle brush, but a detangling brush works out better. I just carried my detangling brush. Sorry, I never carried it. So the paddle brush works out. If you don't get it, you can always use a paddle brush. It takes a little bit more time. So for detangler, it takes about 2 minutes. A paddle brush will take 5 minutes, but it does the job. But ensure that you're opening it out completely. Yeah? And whatever hair that is there, pull that hair out. If it's coming out, let it just come out. Don't worry about it. Because you've got to monitor. Don't try to, oh my god, my hair is falling, I don't want to see it, throw it in the corner. See how much of hair, yeah. That's what happens, right? In the bathroom, let it be, Baba, I'll get tension, I won't get sleep in the night and all that stuff. So you don't want all that. Correct? Yeah? Curly hair needs maximum care because curly hair is naturally dry hair. So you need to ensure that you're really looking after curly hair. Curly hair, chemically treated hair. Any questions? Huh? The cryo what?
The show cryo, na?
Oh, do the drum. Okay, so you know what? So for our lovely, so she takes all the appointments in the salon, huh? So we caught her and we said, you know what? You can't be behind there. You got to come over here and be a model. That's Giselle.
Hi.
And Giselle was like, "Sir, do I have to come in black?" I said, "No." I said, "You go, just wear a nice, pretty color, and you come."
Bandra girls have to dress in color.
My God. So back in the salon, we've already done a treatment for her. We've done a cryo treatment, of course. We've done this lovely blow dry, and you know, your guys got to kind of put it on because we're starting 2-3 new zones in our salon. There's a Bandra bus, guys. Yeah, they got.
Oh yeah, she's yeah.
Oh my!
she's
Oh
capturing,
yeah! So Bandra buzz, and for
All the Bandra people.
all the Bandra people, and people over here are going to get like some special stuff as well. Is we are starting a blow dry bar, you know, because for the past 6 years we've been styling the Miss Divas,
Correct.
Miss Indias, and you know, and at last we've got a winner from our country. You know, we've got a Miss Universe,
Yes, absolutely.
and we've been the guys behind doing the cuts and colors. So we create the base for them before they actually go and they start shooting. So when the girls are selected across the country, you're going to hear this, right? I can.
Yes.
Yeah. So when the girls are selected from across the country, the finalists from every state, they all meet at the airport and they actually interact in the salon. So from the airport, they're all brought to the salon. So we are the first ones to actually meet the girls physically, you know, see their hair. So we get them completely sorted out, get their haircuts done. So we are masters in haircuts. Yeah, we are masters in all aspects of hair. And we do the colors as well. So whatever the direction that's going to happen globally is what we kind of incorporate over there. Then of course we create all the styles. So so this is one of the trending styles, right? These soft, you know, what do you call it? Vintage waves, slight curls. You know, it's nice and dressy. Not too much, not too little. You know. So I was going to pass on a very cheesy one. Not like a Bandra auntie type. Man, really backed over here only. So, don't quote me on that, huh? You don't quote me on that. I mean, I'll get one hartal outside SJP. Actually, but it's good. If I get a hartal, it's good. Yeah. Any publicity is good, right? So these girls come. So we've been the backbone behind styling all these girls. You know, contestants, and then they go on for Miss Diva, and then they go on for Miss India. And the girls, the winners for Miss Diva, the winner goes for Miss Universe, and the winner for Miss India goes for Miss World. Yeah, so that's what. Because earlier, Miss India would have the first runner-up who would go for Miss World. But Miss Universe and Miss World said no, they want the winner of the country. So 7 years back, the Times of India came out with the second one called Miss Diva. So they're on par basically, but of course, Miss India, we've all grown up.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we've all grown up, you know, so with the Miss India part of it. So Miss Diva is the same thing, but it's only a separate pageant. So we do these makeovers, then the girls are ready to go out there for their shoots because then they meet the designers, they meet the stylists, they're doing their shoots, all that part of it happens over there. So to create the base for a great haircut, for a great color, and that's what we're known for, you know, is what we do. If they need a treatment, to cut out frizz, we do those treatments as well. We get it moisturized, and the winners, I mean the perk for the winners for Miss Diva and for Miss India is that they use our salon for all their services. So from beauty services, your waxing, threading, massages, to your blow dries. These two guys are blow dry experts over here, you know, and they follow me around. So yeah, don't look. Very unassuming boys, but their hands move like in a different direction altogether. Then we've got a whole bunch of hairstylists, you know, I mean, and these guys have been with the team for the longest time. Debbie and Yaimi and Wendy and Rohan, you know, and Akshali, and so they are like great with color and cuts and all that stuff. Who else is name? Debbie, yeah.
and Wendy.
Debbie and Wendy, exactly. And so now the new concept, okay, getting to it, and of course now we've got a Miss Universe on our platform, so we are very, very happy and very excited. You know, Bandra Salon has got Miss Universe, right? We should be proud about that. That's what it is.
Absolutely.
Miss Universe comes
Yes.
all the way to Bandra, baby. You know, to Savia John Pereira. No, but she comes to Bandra, right? It's Bandra Buzz right now. Bandra, what is this?
Bandra Bazaar.
Bandra Bazaar.
With
yeah.
Bandra Buzz.
Yeah, with Bandra.
And with the Bandra salon.
All the Bandra chicks, man. Ah. So, you know why I actually said yes to her? Because she wears glasses and I can't see
I
her.
do. I
Yeah,
don't want
do-
to flash with yours like.
Exactly. So two of us are known in the, at least for me, the hairdressing industry. Initially, people say like,
Yes.
can he actually see where he's going? Can he cut hair? Can he see this and that?
Yes.
But oh my God, these are even darker. Look at that. Who's a hot chick, man? She's damn cute. Oh, that's you. Okay, lovely. Good. So now this new concept. So we are starting off. So we're doing a whole. We're doing some crazy stuff, and Bandra is going to be so excited about it. So we're doing the blow dry bar. The blow dry bar is all about styling. It's all about getting great blow dries. The best blow dries in this city will be at our blow dry bar, and I can vouch for it. We're going to be having amazing treatments like Olaplex, the Kerosol Olaplex is good to strengthen the hair. Kerosol to detox the hair. Huh? Standalone treatment, exactly. And we've got these great moisturizing treatments as well. Hair spas which are out of this world. You've got the Savage John Pereira experience. Again, it's a complete ritual, for hair, scalp, head. Just a complete ritual. It's about good 2 hours. A little bit expensive because I've got my name with it, So that's one. So that's all about styling, So it's going to be open from early morning to late in the night. So we're going to be having these things because we realize a lot of people want to come early and get their hair done. They don't want the crowd. And then now since people are partying, they want to come in later, and just get ready and then kind of push off. So it works out well. Then we are starting the waxing zone. So this is going to be a crazy zone actually, It's a waxing zone and different kinds of waxes. So I've been actually learning different flavors and testing them, and if you'll see, I've got like a few patches here and there. I've been experimenting. Huh? Rika Wax, yeah. So we've got some 4 or 5 really amazing brands. And all these are going to be easy on the pocket as well. Bandra people is not going to be super expensive. We're going to be having some amazing deals and some amazing offers, inaugural offers. Because we celebrated 12 years, because we're celebrating Miss Universe and we want to bring in 2022 with a bang. So it's going to be great for that part of it. And yeah, so there's a waxing zone and it's a brand new introduction is the barber zone. So we've got a lot of men now who've been growing their beards out and they want style. Men are spending a lot more. I'm sure your boyfriend's husbands and all, what I'm saying? No baby, I'm going to the beauty parlor, I'm going to the hair salon. For what? Got hair on your face. So it's good. So we've realized it's a huge market. And one thing COVID has taught us is not to be conjuice anymore. Na? You paisa rakh ke kya karega? We can eat food and let us just at least look after ourselves also. A little bit. Right? I love you now. Now I love her. Yeah. So these are the things that are happening, and of course we've got a lot more other offers coming up in the next few weeks. And of course this is especially because we are celebrating Miss Universe. At SJP, and we just want to do something for all the beautiful women, all the lovely women in Bandra, especially for Bandra women. So we have.
And what about the sign?
And men.
What about the sign women?
Sign women are there, see, standing right over there. What to do now? They don't leave you, dude. So she's come to check out like who are these Bandra girls over here. So no, so you guys, so these are the new things that we're coming up with, creating a destination, one-stop all salon. So where you can just come in, women can, especially women, I'll always say especially women, and celebrating Miss Universe, where they come in, form their washes, blow dries, hair color, haircut, styling, you get your smoothing treatments done, your Botox, your nano-keratins, so everything. And we've got some amazing, we've got like 4 amazing pedicurists. So hands and feet care is going to a different zone altogether right now, out of this world. So we're introducing 2 more, I think by post-Christmas, I'm introducing 2 more new hand and foot care treatments, which are going to be amazing. So yeah, it's going to be nice, and it's going to be a good fun. And whoever signs up over here, you take their numbers down. I've got some nice vouchers for your guys. Some are free vouchers and some are discounted vouchers. So please come and use it and experience it. So it should be good fun.
Amazing.
Yeah, but guys, look out for the blow dry bar, the waxing zone, and the men's zone.
All in Bandra, all in
All in Bandra.
Yes.
Special style of cutting.
My girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the entire team does that, They just call me a show off. That's it. They're like, you show off so much stuff. So I don't know what to do now. So you know what I decided? So I told Nicole was like, how do we excite people or do something exciting for Bandra Bus? So we said we'll do the cryo treatment.
Yes.
So we already did it. And now we're just going to kind of, do this whole...
Ooh, the
It just
most
kind of looks
exciting
nice
part.
and exciting.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But any questions or anything, y'all?
Anyone?
Don't be shy, man.
I'm not shy.
Last
person to be shy.
You asked a lot of questions. So now I'm going to see you guys at the salon. Yes, Priya?
We do cryo.
Okay. So the whole treatment is where we detox the scalp, where we cleanse the scalp out, we strengthen the hair out, moisturize it, and then we kind of freeze dry the cuticle using a cryo liquid, more like liquid nitrogen, which is sprayed on. And we do, right now in Bombay, or you could say in India, we're the pioneers in the worldwide. This is a patented treatment. Yeah, so it's the first in the world. So if you Google it out anywhere, you're not going to see anyone doing this. But I've been doing it for the last 2 years. So let me show off a little bit. Bandra people.
Yeah.
And we do the cryo facial as well, which has been a huge hit. So it's the same thing where you kind of cool the face down. You guys got to come and try it out. Whoever's interested, let me know. And she's the one who's going to be the deal breaker. She's going to work out some super deals. She said, Sam, people don't want to spend so much, man. You try to be reasonable. I said, okay, baby, I'll do that for you. So we get started then? Yeah, one second.
Thank you so much, Savio, for the lovely tips. Let's round of applause for lovely Savio, John Pereira from Savio John Salon. And ladies and gentlemen, now he's going to demonstrate the cryo treatment. We can have some music, DJ Pratik. And yes, Bandra, if you're watching this is all happening in the same compound. Same compound of candies. That's the McDonald's compound here at Durango's. The bazaar is still on. People keep questioning, no Bandra Bazaar this year, no Bandra Bazaar last year. So this year, we are having it here at Durango's Comedy Club, which is an educational center and charity center. So please come forward. You are just a minute away if you're done with the other bazaars. It's the time. Please watch Savio now in action. He's about to do the cryo treatment. We can have some, yes, music in the background.
Yes,
that's
the
right.
music.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have Giselle, the lovely receptionist from Savio John Salon. And now he's going to start with the cryo treatment.
She's not the receptionist, she's a face.
The face, that's right.
You know what it is, the first thing you walk in, and he's a nice smiling face. Good morning.
Oh
But if you
my.
end up fighting the boyfriend, please don't come. That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the cryo treatment that Savio is doing on Giselle. Please watch what's happening. Amazing. It's a lovely spray.
So this is like a protecting spray, and she said she blow dries her hair, right?
Yeah.
Do you
Oh,
use
right. Tong it.
Tong it, but do you use any heat protection?
Yes,
you
I use
it,
the
right?
spray, yeah.
Super. Yeah, lay it down.
Watch carefully as Savio is demonstrating the lovely hair treatment. You're all done at Savio John Pereira Salon. And here the cryo treatment is about to begin. And how cool is that? Feels so good. I'm sure she's feeling really nice with that lovely smoke all over her hair. And it's the exact same treatment that all the divas, Miss Universe, and all of them have got. To get the hair all bouncy, all amazing feel, amazing treatment, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Woo, that is The feeling I can only feel right now, Giselle, it makes the hair feel so great, so full, so bouncy, and so natural. Somebody has to call 911 because we are all on fire on the dance floor. Woo! Amazing! Look at that. It feels like she's in a
And
cloud
it's
of
perfectly
heaven.
safe, huh? So, see.
Yes. The Savio said it's completely safe. He's putting it on his face as well. Now how cool is that? Amazing. And I can't even get any odor, Savio, out here. It's absolutely odorless.
Oh, no, yeah.
There's no odor at all. That's even more cool, isn't it? Look at that.
But isn't it cold?
No, it's not cold. It's
Yeah,
not.
it
It's
is.
just slightly, right? Wow. Oh my. I can't even get even smell it. It's absolutely flying. Look at it. Ooh. Nice. Oh my. Look at that. The feeling of that cloud of heaven on your head, ladies and gentlemen. All done at Savio John Pereira Salon here in Bandra. And like I said, it is the place where you want to head because again, all the divas who have had to get to even Miss Universe have gone through today. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. All the way ahead is looking
I'll just
so
get some
full.
more. So you know what? Yeah, put the volume down.
Yeah.
So I've got the first, what do you call it? A giveaway is if someone tells me who is my first Miss India. Who's the first Miss India I worked on? I hope I don't look very old also. So who do you think is my... You want Khautyas? Huh? Who do you think is...
Give us a clue. Clue. Yeah, give us option.
She's a
Multiple
superstar.
choice.
I've worked with...
Priyanka.
Aishwarya Rai.
Anymore?
That's really old. Yeah, that's like so.
Priyanka.
No, you have to be very confident when you're...
They were
No,
universe.
your colors are you...
She was
you're not part of it.
universe.
Huh?
She was
She
universe.
was Miss Universe.
Yeah.
Someone. Priyanka Chopra.
Ah. So she is my first... she's my first Miss World and I mean that was my claim to fame actually. So I started hairstyling and she won Miss India and then she won Miss World. So she is my first one. Who's my second one? Who's my second Miss India?
Guesses.
Come on, it's close.
Guesses.
Anyone's guesses? She's a pretty popular actress. Comes in a lot of movies, shows, she's all over the place.
After Priyanka
Smita
Chopra?
Sen.
No, that's Miss Universe. That's it.
She's a Bandra girl only. Na 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 na.
L? Something with L?
Lara Datta.
No.
Lara Datta, no. She's a slim one, no?
She used to be slim.
Oh, she used
Ah,
to be.
used to be. Ah, now that's. Who?
This one is still slim. Joanne, any guesses? No?
Anyone from outside? Anyone? Any guesses?
Anyone want? No? Give us a clue. No, give us a clue. No? Always
Ah,
asking.
she's got a baby recently.
Lisa.
Anushka.
Lisa.
No.
Virat Kohli's wife.
Not
But
Lisa.
she's not a Miss World.
No.
I don't know.
Miss India. She's a Miss India. Miss India and popular.
Baby.
No. Pretty close actually.
Neha Dupia.
Yeah. Yes, you Google it out. Google it out. Oh my God! I thought
When you said baby, then I remember that she.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
So that was the first time I worked with all these girls and they become like superstars now, you know. And then now I'm really happy because after so many years, like this is my 22nd year in the industry and I've got a Miss Universe again. So I never had a Miss Universe. Now we've got a Miss Universe. And yeah, so you got yours and you got yours. But that was too late, huh?
No.
Yeah, okay. Done deal.
Priyanka is actually my favorite actress, so I read about her a lot. That's why, yes.
He never knew who a hairdresser was. You not Google Savio John Pereira then. So all her makeovers, when you've seen the movie Changes, I've worked with most of the changes that happened with her. I used to work a lot of changes with Shilpa Shetty. You know, so we've done a lot of changes for her. When for the frizzy hair, she went to nice straight, sleek, sexy hair. So when hair became sexy in Bollywood, Savio's name comes after that. There wasn't any Instagram then, so you know.
Of course.
Bandra Buzz is going to make sure people know that.
Yes, on social media.
Every Bollywood star has got their hair down with SJP. And they're back now. They're going to be back again, right? Don't want your drama. I want my Bandra chicks to come over here.
Yes.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it all from the lovely Savio John Pereira himself, who has been doing the lovely treatment. And again, all of this is available at his salon. Bandra, wherever you are, right here, right now, we have the bazaar on, and Savio's come to visit this lovely bazaar. So head down here in the same compound of Candies, that is McDonald's. So hope to see you here at Durango's Comedy Club and Educational Center. Amazing, look at that. Woo! She is on fire again. Savio spinning her head right down, Giselle, yeah? Yes, he's gonna spin you now, amazing.
Sorry. I'm closing my...
Ooh. Look at that.
Take care. Thanks.
All the way in the hair out there. All the way.
Yeah, I've got some people, the ladies out there.
Yes. Yes.
Where is it?
He's got something for you all, just share. Take it.
Huh?
Giselle, how did that feel? How did that feel?
Amazing.
I'm
Where is
sure.
the-
Look at the hair, the bounce. Look at the bounce. The bounce is too cool. What her hair was, yes, before and see now. Please come forward. Come forward. Amazing.
Let's share the salon number with them. Priyanka Chopra.
It's on the
Thank you, Savio, so much for the lovely vouchers.
Ask me
Amazing.
questions for you. Yeah.
Wow.
You have to come any which way, yeah?
Yes, thank you so much. VIP, huh? And remember, his number is also available on the salon page, right? Giselle? Savio John Pereira Salon, Bandra. So his number is there, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, here, right now, happening. The Bandra Buzz is with us at the Bandra Bazaar. Again, the bazaar is still on. We're not planning to close anytime soon. So please, the same compound of Candies, that's McDonald's. Head here right now, there's a unique stalls. Nothing is replicated. Yeah, nothing is repeated. Thank you.
La 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 la.
Wow. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a feeling you'll never have before. You've never had before and you want to feel it. It's all at his salon. To give you that extra bounce, the extra care in your hair.
Shake it, baby.
Wow.
Chalega.
Look at that difference in the hair. Look at the bounce. Giselle, your hair is like 2 times, no, I would say 10 times and more what it was. Look at that. I need to come for this treatment next. It'll make my hair look 10 times what it is. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a miracle. Miracle made. Yeah. A lovely selfie there. A lovely click. Amazing.
Yeah, man, you're not even getting me in
Wow, look at that, look at that. Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Bandra. So please head here. And again, yes, we have the bazaar running tomorrow as well. You want to get some more of Savio? Yes, Savio, we are coming tomorrow as well to talk to the Sunday guests who are coming tomorrow. We expect even more because today a lot of advertising on social media.
Guys, please come in and you're going to see brand new nails for her tomorrow.
Yes, that's
You know
right.
what?
Yes.
Okay, the deal is she's going to come to the salon in the morning, on the afternoon, and then I will land up over here in the evening.
Yes.
Done?
Done. Yeah. For sure, yes.
And I'd just like to thank my team. That's Mr. Lalu, Raj, and Devendra, and of course my beautiful model Giselle. You know, the face of SJP. So thank you guys. And of course my super
Lovely wife.
gorgeous wife. We can't see your face, baby. Yeah, see that. My God. Yeah, and thank you all of you all.
Yes,
You know, she's got my number. She's got the salon
Yes,
numbers.
yes.
Any queries, please
Yes.
feel free to ask us, and we'll keep you all guys updated.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank
So
you.
tomorrow we could just speak about
Yes.
some tools and some other stuff.
Yes,
as well.
sure, sure.
All right.
Yes.
And she is going to call me in 2 weeks. I'm
Yes.
going to say, Sam, I love you for the conditioning today. It works really, really well. And the selfies are nice. The pictures are nice one. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I have to take a selfie with you, no?
Yeah, listen to
Of
me now,
course.
and thank you so much,
Yes.
Nicole.
Thank you
It's
so
an
much for
honor.
coming, Savio.
Thank you so much, Savio, for coming and having you, considering your busy schedule. I know how many, you must have got
Yeah.
15 phone calls I counted while he was talking on the mic. So thank you, it's been an honor having you. And now, yes, that's for Bandra Buzz. Yo! Let's have Joanne in the picture.
Hey, Joanne,
Come,
we
Joanne,
want
you come.